Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomadic Aura Annie's channel. I am Annie and I'm solo traveling across America and sharing my adventures along the way through road trips, travel vlogs, hiking adventures, scenic drives, and walking tours. I am also an artist, so I like sharing my artwork. I also enjoy sharing special moments and thoughts from my daily life. Everyone, welcome back to Nomadic Aura Annie's YouTube channel. Before we begin today's video, I just want to take a moment to thank all my returning subscribers and to everyone who's new to the channel. Your follows, support, comments, likes, and encouragement truly mean so much to me. I absolutely love exploring America, sharing my aesthetic vision, discovering new places, and sharing these wonderful places, moments, and adventures with all of you. I am honestly so happy that you're here to experience it all with me. As I mentioned in my previous video, I am staying in Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado for a few days, and I am so excited to explore more of this beautiful place and show you some of the wonderful spots I discovered today. Today I will be spending my day hiking Rocky Mountain National Park and enjoying the amazing mountain views, peaceful trails, and enjoying the beautiful scenery along the way. Here are some interesting facts about Rocky Mountain National Park. Rocky Mountain National Park was established on January 26, 1915. The highest point in Rocky Mountain National Park is Long's Peaks, which is about 14,259 feet high. The park is home to animals including elk, bighorn sheep, moose, deer, black bears, and mountain lions. So I am not gonna lie, one thing that's always in the back of my mind while hiking in Colorado is the possibility of coming across wildlife, especially bears and mountain lions. I know they're part of the outdoors, and I'm always excited to see wildlife from a safe distance. While I am hiking, I always try to be aware of my surroundings and make sure I'm keeping a safe distance from any wildlife I come across. I think it's important to respect their space and let them enjoy their natural habitat. As I was driving through Rocky Mountain National Park, I came across two bighorn sheep on the road. Something didn't seem right. They looked like they were either really thirsty or extremely hungry. It was extremely hot outside, so I wondered if they were looking for water or just trying to find some shade. One thing about me is that it makes me really happy to see people and their families enjoying the outdoors, while also respecting and taking care of these beautiful places. It is so nice to see everyone enjoying nature, picking up after themselves, and leaving the area as beautiful as they found it. I think we all have a part in keeping these places clean and beautiful for others to enjoy too. I usually love spending time by the river, especially when the weather gets too hot. When life feels stressful or too busy, I think it's important to slow down and spend some quiet time in nature. There is something peaceful about sitting by the river, listening to the sounds of nature, and simply being present. Sometimes all we need is to allow ourselves to slow down, relax, and reconnect with nature. We don't always have to rush everywhere. Right now, I am heading back into Boulder, Colorado to walk around downtown, do some shopping, and grab something to eat at one of the local restaurants. While I was in Boulder, I discovered an awesome little spot by the river where I could sit, soak up the sun, and just relax for a while. I guess it's safe to say that I'm a little obsessed with rivers. So right now I am downtown Boulder, Colorado. I really love walking through this downtown area, and it's just gorgeous.
Right after your dinner with Brendan. Yeah.
Wow, you guys, I feel so lucky. Look at this view from my hotel room. This is amazing. Now I'm back at the hotel. As I mentioned in another video, I sometimes stay at a hotel for a few days when I need to unwind from the stress of car camping, reorganize my camping gear, and restock my food supplies. It's nice to have a little break, slow down, and get everything organized before heading back out on the road again. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you so much for being part of my community. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. Follow me so we can make positive changes together. Thank you.